If you want to build an organization that actually attracts and retains top talent, we need a first principles definition of what top even means. One attempt at a definition could be people who are exceptionally intelligent, exceptionally hardworking, and exceptionally emotionally stable all at once. This is sometimes called being thrice exceptional. And one of my favorite accounts on X recently did a simulation on exactly this. He modeled 100,000 people, highlighting those that are simultaneously 2 standard deviations or higher on the following 3 dimensions: IQ, conscientiousness, and emotional stability. He also accounted for covariance using meta-analytic correlation, since these variables are not independently distributed in the population. Here's a chart. It looks like a big dot cloud with each dot representing a simulated person, but the red dots are the thrice exceptional. And you kind of need a couple of angles to even see how far out they are. The takeaway, there just aren't that many statistically speaking. If you're a startup founder, you may know a few people like this, since people at this threshold tend to become successful founders, but it's kind of like winning the genetic lottery in the non-superficial sense. But what happens if we extend our requirement to 3 standard deviations out on all 3 traits, like basically the top 0.1% on IQ, conscientiousness, and emotional stability simultaneously? Statistically, almost none exist. So for all the org builders out there, you cannot possibly design with thrice exceptional people in mind. There just aren't enough in the world. And while maybe you can't get thrice exceptional as a rule, you can certainly build an organization that attracts the twice exceptional, which all of a sudden becomes much more common in the population. Practically, given that you can't trade off on intellect if you're doing competitive knowledge work, it means that you'll either have to put up with smart and highly conscientious, yet definitely kind of neurotic teammates, or maybe they're smart and have higher emotional stability, but then they'll be kind of lackadaisical and less hardworking. Sound familiar? Well, now you know why.